Welcome everybody. Today is the 8th of September 2021. It's 3:57 local time. This is dollar cut on a 1 hour chart. We have the Canadian news in 3 minutes. Dollar cut trading at 1.26733. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to capture the price action during the news release. So here's what will happen. Maybe it will go and do a fish move up, but after that it will go down and go for the lower stops against all the dumb money longies which are still in the market. We see some shorties coming in, but they're not enough for a full-blown dumb money switch. So if the Canadian news is stronger for Canada as expected or slightly above the expected result, then dollar cut should go down in response. Even if the news results are roughly in line with expectations or the previous number, they will still go down. Remember the economic plausibility principle, okay? Since there's already this up move, they can even if the data does not fit the bill and it's actually worse for Canada because of this up move, one could argue that the expectation of a positive result, of a negative result was already priced in, you see? So that means it doesn't matter what the results really will be unless it's a complete deviation in the opposite direction. Dollar cut will go down. 2 minutes. So if you want to trade this kind of setup, obviously you don't use much leverage because this is a news trade, okay? But some people even love to trade those kind of scenarios. I do it sometimes. 1 minute to go. And of course, as always, I mean, they use those kind of news items to fish in both directions. Even if there's a down move, they can do a pullback. But overall, it's predictable that they will go for those lower stops below the 1.263 level. So, let's see what will happen. Okay, so the rates are unchanged as expected. Quantitative easing pace unchanged. Boom, there's a down move as expected. Going for the first stop there. It's exactly 4 o'clock now. $1.6539. The IV PMI is 66, so quite higher than expected. Forecast was 59.2. And the job openings is 10.93 million, also higher than the forecast, but that's for the USA. So yeah, the Canadian PMI is higher, which means more strength for the Canadian dollar, which is why dollar CAD is going down for those stops, as I said before. That shows that there's some kind of expansion, economic expansion. Some fish moves. Two 6539. That's something we often see. They take the first stop, pull back, next stop, and so on.